in my experience, I have seen a lot of people in meditation path with more confusion than, you know, clarity. People are using meditations and spiritual experience to actually be more egoistic, be more authoritative. But the ultimate goal of the spiritual journey is to become free of the bondages, become more open minded, ready to receive inputs. So, the goal is to make yourself very light. The goal of meditation, the goal of spiritual work is to make yourself very light. That means you are ready to accept suggestions, ready to try, ready to lose the rigidity of your mindset. So it is always about how open you can be, how friendly you can be. So ultimately, all this work should make you very relaxed, very open minded, pure, and compassionate. The entire process is only this. If you are doing this to, if you are doing meditation to, inflate the ego, or to tell others that you have attained a certain realization, you are missing it. So, the whole journey is to lead a simple life, be yourself, don't fall for a certain, imitation. Most of the world is now in a imitation trap. If one person has attained something, the whole group of people would follow the example. The goal of meditation path or spirituality is to lead your own life at your own pace. That's it. No rat race, no craziness, no blind following, being yourself completely. Being yourself, loving yourself, being selfish, yes, loving yourself. You enjoy your company more and more. Well, you are ready to catch up, ready to talk to people, ready to mingle, but nothing happens at the cost of your own self. So everything should happen like a dance, but it should not be like you have sacrificed yourself and you become an entertainer that's not a good life. So you are continuously attaining it. Spiritual journey is a very continuous thing. Do not think you have arrived at a point, because there are no arrivals. Every day there is a new lesson, a new experience. You learn from the experience, you enjoy the experience. So today is a preparation for tomorrow. The whole life should change and transform in such a way that every day you are a listener and a learner. This, I feel, is going to be the game changer, and this should be your only intention. Meditation is not, or spirituality is not about reaching an end point. It is more about enjoying the whole journey and loving yourself, loving your life, living it 100%. This is how I would really consider. Think about it. These are some of my thoughts. Take care.